guys, my name is Teena and today is going to be a video on how I do my everyday bad girl look. It's the little thing, the little details that you want to do to create something that can make a big difference, to twist your everyday makeup. So, you know, using like a bold lip, using a little wing, bigger lashes, the little things. You know, some things that you don't really wear every single day, but you would add to a normal, simple, everyday makeup. If that makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm sure it does. I'm using only one brand today, so I hope you guys like this because I love this brand. You know, Benefit PH is one of the brands that we, like other influencers, just are very drawn to. They have great brow products, they have great cheek products, they have great mascaras. They're the only mascaras that I use now, so that says a lot because I'm very particular with my lashes. So before I make this intro any longer, if you guys want to see how I created this subtle everyday bad girl look, then please stay and watch the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is make pa-cute. Charot. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you guys in, and I'm just going to clean my face with some toner and also apply some moisturizer real quick before I start everything. Not to prime is a crime, sabi nga nila, so I'm starting with the Porefessional primer just in the middle of my face, T-zone, and a little bit in the cheek area. This primer is one of the best primers in the industry. It kind of makes my makeup last longer as well. For my foundation, I'm using the Hello Happy foundation in number 2. This is just a good coverage na pang everyday, not too thick but not too thin as well. So if you're the type who doesn't want a thick foundation for everyday use, then this will be good for you. I'm quite acidic, so maybe that's why I picked a lighter foundation. It may look lighter now, but it's okay. I'm gonna bronze them on later, so don't worry. For now. Don't forget your neck, of course. For concealer, I'm using the number 1 and number 2. I'm mixing both of them. It's from the Complexionista palette, but you can buy it separately in the Benefit Cosmetic stores. It just happens so that this palette is complete with a Hoola bronzer, highlighter, and also a powder. So I really like this kapag pang mabilisan, or if you are someone who doesn't want to buy like the big sizes of it, then you can just buy this palette. It offers everything. I'm going to extend it up on my lids na rin to work as my primer. Then after all of that, I'm just going to mattify my face with a normal powder that I have. For the brows, I'm using this awesome Brow Contour Pro. It has everything that you may need. You have a highlighter, you have a concealer, you have 2 shades of brows. You have a dark one and a lighter one. So you can do a solid color. You can also do an ombre color, but you can also clean it up with a concealer. So it's basically everything that you may need for your brows, all in one product. It's very innovative, and you will also save some money because it's 4 products in one item. So once I've put it on my brows, I'm just going to spread it with a brush because it's also quite parang pomade, very creamy. Now to set all the hair up in place, I'm using Ready Set Brow. This is a staple in my makeup routine. I don't really use any other clear brow gel to set it up because this just works. It stays for a long time, almost the whole day, if not the whole day. Now for the cheeks, they have made another palette. It's called the Cheekleaders. Nakakabulol siya, guys. Here they have their newest color, Hoola Caramel. It's a darker, warmer shade of Hoola, and it's so dark actually that I'm using it as my transition shade for my eyes. Later na si Hoola, but this one is pretty warm, so I'm using it for eyeshadow because it's very pigmented as well. I don't know about you guys, but for me, everyday ko talaga ginagamit yung bronzer ko for my eyes because honestly, it just makes everything faster and easier to use. I use a brown color din naman, so why not the bronzer? Usually malalaki naman yung mga bronzer natin, so why not, diba? So now for the actual eyeshadow, meron tayong their Real Eyeshadow Blender. It comes in 2 colors. It's shimmer, but it also comes with a sponge applicator. So I've never really actually used one before, pero I'm just gonna stamp it, and meron siyang 2 lines of color like that. So I'm just stamping it on my lid, and from what I see, it creates parang a brown shaded eyeliner. So I just decided to make it work na lang like that. And then it comes off as if I actually put a brown eyeliner on top of my eyelids. And then I'm just adding shimmer on my bottom lashes, just so it's not so flat. Yan, so here you go, a very simple everyday eyeshadow look. Para naman hindi masyadong basic, I'm using the Roller Lash eyeliner just to give me a little bit of a thin wing. Because of its felt tip, it's very easy to maneuver around your eyes. It doesn't make it hard for you to create sharp lines because hindi nagwawatak-watak yung tip niya, unlike if it's a brush tip. So I really prefer felt tips over the others kasi it's just much easier, lalo na if you're someone who's not too used to creating wings. So here we go, we just have 2 winged lines just to elongate your eyes even more. Para konti may pagka-chinita, ganun. For me, ito yung pinaka-importanting part sa look mo. It's the lashes. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang. It's my favorite out of all the mascaras, as you can see from the reaction I made. I just love it. It elongates, it thickens. It's just a really, 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 really good mascara. If you use it, it'll look like you have fake ones on, and that's the kind I want. Let's stop with the eyes right here muna. Let's go on to the cheeks. I'm using Hoola to bronze my face all over. I'm just going to add a bit of color around my cheeks, my forehead, and I'm also using it to contour my nose. If you want to know how I contour my cheeks, I don't know if you're plus size, I will link a video down in the description box. For the blush, I'm using Complexionista on the same palette. A little bit of color lang, not too much because my hair is already too much, you know? Pakit lang. You can always stop here if you want to be cute, but if you know me, I want to always take it to the next level. I'm adding Cookie on the tops of my cheekbones and my nose and my forehead and everywhere else basically that the sun hits on my face. I want to be shining and shimmering, and Cookie is really blinding, but I'm using it fairly, and I mix it also a little bit with Gold Rush. I just want to look very luminous. I just want to look healthy and glowing. So this highlight is really nice. It's not too much to the point na para kang naligo sa highlighter, but it's just enough. And now for extra lashes, boom. Extra lang, but it's still normal looking and it's not too much, but I just want that extra length. I'm also going to apply my Bad Girl Bang mascara on it just to reach the full capacity of the falsies. Push na natin to the highest level. Ganun. Oh, diba? Ang ganda kaya. I just love long lashes. So now for the lips. Yan, pa-cute. There's nothing more kabog than a red lip. So now I'm using the Red On. They're real from Benefit as well. And it's a very nice, parang rich, bright red color. I'm using it quite opaquely but still blending it outwards para hindi siya super duper thick and creamy on the lips. So I'm still blending it more. So it just looks like parang semi-matte on my lips. Yeah, and so here is my everyday bad girl look. Parang pa-sweet, pa-bad girl. Ano ba ito? Okay guys, so this is my finished look using the Benefit Cosmetics products. This is a look that I would normally wear almost every day, I think, with a little hint of a badassness, you know what I'm saying? Parang I love big lashes, I love a bold lip, I love like a nice cute wing, not overly too much. Especially now I want to make this like an everyday makeup look, you know what I'm saying? So this really completes it, you know, like a highlighted face, a cute little wing, bold lashes, and a nice red lip. So I think that just completes an everyday like bad girl look. You want to make it like that, you know? But I want to wear earrings. Hold on. Okay, if you guys want to know what products I use for this video, just head on to my Instagram and I will post every single product there. Go check out Benefit PH. I have a lot of different products that we love. Like we always, like I know a lot of influencers always go to Benefit events because they have one of the most amazing products in the industry, and we absolutely love their you know. So that's it. I don't really have anything else to say. Kika Everyday is right here. Congratulations, you're today's shout out. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below #Kika of the day. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button to be notified when I upload videos, because I don't have a proper schedule. So with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye, God bless. Mwah. By the way guys, I have new merch, check it out!